Hi, this is Omar from Group Consultancies, and this is part 13 of our CRM system. Here we will discuss about the projects in the system. This is the CRM application. Double click, the main page, view, and we already have created one project in one of the previous videos. Let's create another one, add a new project. And let's make this project B. You need to add here the client, either the company or the contact. Now, if you are a trading company, then when you are selling products, you will have many clients. And in this case, you can just put your company as the client. So you are creating your company as the client. However, if you are a contracting company, then you will have a specific client. Let's make the client company A. This is sufficient to activate this page. At the moment, there is no ID for this page because the project has not been activated. If you click exit and return back, it will be activated. If you click refresh, it will be activated. Or even if you click options, it will be activated. If you click here, for example, you will exit without saving anything. Let us click refresh. The project has been activated. It's been registered in the system. Now, by default, the status will be running. However, you can change that. It might be requested, the client requests a quotation from you or information from you related to this particular project. You might regret quoting this project, but you like to put it in your system. It might be in the estimation phase. It might be in the follow-up phase. When you make the quotation and send it to the customer, you are waiting a reply from the customer. Running means that you secured the project and it is in the running phase. Snag phase is at the last phase of the project. This is the snag phase. Delivered, completed, when you have all your invoices being paid. There is README here which says the admin can add, edit this list. There is an option in the admin application where you can add, edit these options, this list. We will keep it at running. Project type, if you are a contractor, then there is a type for this project. It might be electrical, it might be mechanical, it might be plumbing, it might be AC, it might be networking. The budget here is the quotation you give the customer or the budget in the contract. And here is your estimate for this project. This is useful when you are making analysis at the end of the project to know your mistakes and successes, to learn from it. And you have this note 111 which says you can view the changes of these fields by clicking at options view change. As we said before, any changes happen to the system is recorded, and you can see the changes for this particular page by clicking at options view changes. This is a note, and this is project general note. This is, you can say, a summary. And it is recommended that the new note to be at the top of the old note. So if, for example, if you have note 1, and then next time you want to put another note, sorry, let's make this one like this. If you want to put another note, it's better to put it at the top of the old note. So always the new note is at the top. This is just a recommendation. However, detailed note can be put inside the history. either from here, which is the calendar, or option calendar. Add note. So let's go from here, history, options, add note for today, and let's say this is note 1, and here is the details. And you see that number 1, there is a number beside the history, which means that in the history there is a record. This record might be a note, an activity, or a plan. We spoke about relations in the previous video. Files, you can upload a file. Let's choose this file, for example, and you can see it in the folder. If this is an Access database, if this is a MySQL server, you can see it in a database inside MySQL server. But this is a Access database, so it is inside a directory in the server. And you see that there is yes beside files. It means that there is files in the system, and you can see it by clicking there. We click at options, file management, we can create subfolders. If you click here, you'll find no subfolders. Structure has been installed in the admin application for this form, contact the administration. It means that the subfolder has not been added to the option in the admin application. And we spoke about this in I think part 5 of the series, admin options. Invoice purchase, we'll speak about it in the next video. Choose company and choose contact. Now, this is a red box. It means that if you click at it, it will lead you to another page. At the first time, it chose the name of company, but if you click here, it is this company. However, suppose that you made a mistake and it's not really company A, it's company B. How we can change it? You go to options, you go to choose company, you can clear it or change company, and it's company B. You can view all the changes that happen to this particular page. This is assets and store. We might speak about it in the future, or you can just see it and learn by trials. But we will speak about invoice and purchase in the next video. Now, let's put some budget here. Let's make it this 20,000. Let's make this 19,000. What you will see is the total. Let's make also for one 10,000. Let's make this 8,000. What you see here is that this is the budget, this is the estimate, and this is the total. This is the total in the lists. You can limit the total by selecting or filtering or making a filter for the records. But you will see is the total at the particular list. So for this list, the total is 30,000 and the estimate is 20,000, 27,000. This is the end of part 13. Thank you for watching.